Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Good day everyone, maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Hindi po ako magsasawang i-shoutout po kayong lahat, lalong-lalo na po sa mga kababayan natin sa abroad na patuloy na sumusubaybay sa aking mga upload, at sa mga viewers ko po dito sa Pinas na patuloy na sumusuporta at nagtitiwala sa akin. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat at asahan nyo pong mag-upload po ako ng mga magagandang unit. Bago ko po simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Nangunguna sa ating lineup, 2019 Mitsubishi Expander 1.5 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 750,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sariwang Expander, all stock, naka-garnish na po ito, may reverse camera, push start with cruise control, naka-Android touchscreen head unit with iOS with navigation with Bluetooth ready. Adjustable po ang upuan, adjustable po ang height ng driver seat. Maayos naman po ang space ng second row, may aircon ventilation, 7-seater po ang capacity at maayos po ang kondisyon nito. Foldable po ang third row niyan kung gusto niyo pong maluwag ang inyong trunk space. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gas engine, DOHC 16 bulb, inline 4, MIBEC na may 105 horsepower at 141 Nm torque. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Kung cash basis naman po kayo, negotiable upon viewing. At kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede rin po dito trade-in. Excellent condition po ang unit na to, makinis. Next, 2017 Isuzu MU-X 3.0 LSA 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 890,000. Location Las Piñas City. May reverse camera and sensor, push start po ang unit na to. May central console armrest para po relax ka habang nagdadrive. Malamig ang aircon, may automatic climate control. Maluwag ang space ng interior nito, okay naman ang space ng legroom at saka headroom. 7-seater capacity, intact at malinis po ang interior nito. Sa mahiling mag-travel, maluwag din po ang trunk space nito. Engine bay nito, powerful and excellent running condition, no hidden defects, ready for long drive. Naka-stock alloy rims, malinis, wala pa pong mga gutter marks at naka-Bridgestone na gulong. Nasa 85% trade line pa. Naka-keyless entry na rin to. May central locking, may alarm at immobilizer. 2013 Mitsubishi Strada 2.5 GLS 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 610,000. Location Las Piñas City. Will maintain stock original shiny pink, responsive 5-speed automatic transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, may traction control, naka-dual airbag at may anti-lock braking system, naka-two-toned leather seat cover, 5-seater ang capacity neto, maayos at malinis ang loob neto, sariwa po. Maayos ang unit na to, kita naman sa itsura, alaga talaga ng owner. Under the hood, garantisadong wala pong issue ang makina, no leaks, no overt history. Kompleto po ang mga papel neto, updated ang registration, LTO verified, may ring gutter na po yan, may step board at naka-fender flares na po yan. Naka-stock to, disc brake ang harap at drum brake ang likod, naka-halogen headlamp at may fog lights. 2020 Honda City 1.5e CVT, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 21,000 kms, price 688,000. Location Pasig City. Thursday ang coding, may DRL lights, good as new condition, push start, naka 6-speed CVT transmission, naka Android touchscreen head unit, check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered, all gauge are working, power steering, naka dual SRS airbag, fresh in and out po ang unit, first owned, naka fabric seats ang mga upuan and in good condition. Under the hood, naka 1.5 gas engine na may 120 horsepower at 145 Nm torque, nothing to fix, no issue. Outside appearance itong unit, stock original shiny paint, maganda po yung pagkaputi, makinis, wala pong gas-gas, walang dent, very presentable. Just gas and go ka na lang dito. 2019 Honda City 1.5 VX iVTEC, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 36,000 kms, price 688,000. Location Pasig City. Another good as new condition na sedan, first owned, push start, naka Android touchscreen monitor with iOS with navigation with Bluetooth ready with reverse camera, may anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, naka fabric seats po ito, clean and intact po ang interior, guaranteed no engine issue, naka 1.5 liter gas engine na may 118 horsepower at 145 Nm torque, naka 2-tone 16 inches alloy wheels, wala pa pong mga gutter marks, all stock at all original po ang unit, maayos po ang kondisyon neto at naka Eagle VSI po ang fog lights. 2015 Honda HRV 1.8e CVT, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 630,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng crossover, eto 5-seater capacity, push start, naka multi-info display, may cruise control, naka paddle shifter, malamig po ang aircon nito, may automatic climate control, naka public seats po ang mga upuan at komportable po ang sakay nito sa likod dahil mayroon po itong aircon vents. Best buy unit to at maayos pang ilalim nito, wala pang kalampag. Under the hood, naka 1.8 liter gas engine na may 141 horsepower at 172 Nm torque. Malinis, walang tagas ng langis, walang overheat history. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Quality po ang unit na to. Naka disc brake harap at saka likod. Naka keyless entry. Just comment down below sa video sa mga interesado at i-assist ko po kayo. 2014 Ford Fiesta hatchback 1.5L, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 258,000. Location Las Piñas City. Electronic power steering, multi-info display na rin po ito. Naka dual SRS airbag, smooth driving, smooth at responsive po ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting. Fresh and clean ang interior, solid ang under chassis, walang kalampag. May kasamang dalawang original key, may kasamang manual and booklet. Updated ang registration, 100%, hindi po ito nabaha. Engine bay, no hidden defects, malinis po ang makina, walang tagas ng langis, naka Motolite battery. Formado na po ito, naka 15 inches mags, naka flare fender na rin po yan. May rain gutter, sasakyan mo na lang tong unit, ready to use na, ready for long drive. Next, 2008 Mitsubishi Pajero 3.2 GLS SE 4x4, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 790,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng 7-seater na SUV na below 800k ang budget na 4-wheel drive, pwede nyo pong i-check to, baka pasok sa inyong mga budget. 5-speed po ito, automatic transmission, malamig ang aircon at maluwag po ang space ng unit na to. Marami rin pong aircon ventilation sa likod. Well-maintained and well-preserved unit. Smooth pa po ang suspension nito, walang kalampag. Under the hood, naka 3.2 liter diesel engine na may 165 horsepower at 381 Nm torque. Powerful ang engine, smooth manakbo, no issue. Sa mga interesado, available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Maayos at makakapal pa naman ang mga gulong nito. Nasa 85% tire condition, naka-disc brake na po yan, harap tsaka likod. Makinis ang unit, presentable. 2012 Ford Everest 2.5 TDCi 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 450,000. Location Las Piñas City. All stock, well-maintained and well-preserved unit. All power, all mechanism are working well. Naka front wheel drive po ito, 5-speed automatic transmission, naka dual airbag, 7-seater capacity. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng affordable na SUV, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. 100% not flooded unit, 100% no accident history. Under the hood, naka Motolite battery, naka 2.5 TDCi diesel engine na may 143 horsepower at 313 Nm torque. Pwede po kayong magpa-schedule ng viewing at pwede po kayong magdala ng sarili yung mekaniko para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo na rin. Para sa mabilis na transaction at inquiry, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, 2016 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLS Premium 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 990,000. Location Las Piñas City. May back sensor na po yan at reverse camera, multi-function steering wheel, push start na po yan with cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifter, naka power seats na po yan, power windows, aircon nitong unit, naka dual zone automatic, 7-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather seat. Maluwag po ang trunk space nito at naka-garnish na rin po ang mga ilaw nito. Under the hood, naka 2.5 diesel engine na may 181 horsepower at 430 Nm torque. Naka-stock 18 inches alloy wheels at ang mga gulong nito nasa 85% tire condition. Outside appearance nito, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. Wala pong gasgas, walang dent. Naka-LED headlights, DRL and fog lights. Next, 2015 Subaru XB 2.0i CVT AWD, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 580,000. Location Las Piñas City. All stock, all original, may reverse camera, multi-function steering wheel, push start, may cruise control, may stability control at traction control, naka-touchscreen head unit, 5-seater na crossover. Baka may naghahanap dyan, ayos pa po ang unit na to, maganda po ang loob at maganda po ang quality. Saktong laki lang po ang trunk compartment neto, pero kung marami kang ilalagay, natutupi po ang second row niyan. Check nyo po engine bay nito, naka Motolite battery, smooth po at excellent po ang engine condition, no issue, ready for long drive. Naka Yokohama tires, makakapal makapal pa po ito. Naka 2-toned 17 inches alloy wheels at lahat po yan naka disc brake na po. May rope rail na po yan, naka keyless entry, may daytime running lights and fog lights. 2013 Toyota Fortuner 2.5G 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 740,000. Location Las Piñas City. Naka-garnish na rin po ito at may back sensor. Power steering, smooth and responsive po ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting. Ice cold aircon at may automatic climate control. Maayos ang kondisyon ng unit, kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, naka all leather seat, 7-seater capacity. Kahit 2013 model po ito, well maintained and well preserved po ang unit. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue, no leaks, no overheat history, 100% hindi po ito nabaha. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer, updated po ang registration nito hanggang 2024. Sasakyan mo na lang ang unit, just diesel and go. Next, 2017 Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 670,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa nag-request po ng Toyota Corolla Altis, check mo to idol, baka makursunadahan mo. Front wheel drive po ito, 6-speed automatic transmission, electronic power steering, may anti-lock braking system, naka power seats na po yan, power windows, naka fabric seats, malinis at maayos po ang interior ng unit na to. Smooth ang suspension, solid po ang under chassis, wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, naka 1.6 liter dual VVTi gas engine na may 122 horsepower at 154 Nm torque. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Overall appearance ng unit, excellent condition, naka-stock original shiny paint pa po yan, makinis. May fog lights na po yan at may daytime running light. Next, 2008 Honda Accord 3.5L V6 automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 70,000 kms, price 330,000. Location Las Piñas City. May back sensor na po yan, all stock, all original. Kahit 2008 model to, well maintained and well preserved unit. All power, all mechanism are working well. Responsive po ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting. Sasakyan mo na lang to, nothing to fix, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursunadahan kayo, at kung wala pa po dyan ang kursunada nyo, you can comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe mga idol at bossing ko. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload, this is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!